Thank you. Good evening. I'm Sharon Ramage, and I'm asking you to elect me as the next judge of Collin County Court at Law Number 2. Let me tell you a little bit about Sharon Ramage, the lawyer. I'm experienced. I've had 17 years of legal experience. I started my career as a prosecutor. It was one of the greatest jobs I ever did. I prosecuted misdemeanors, felonies. I spent 2.5 years prosecuting child abuse cases. And then when I left the DA's office after 5 years, I decided to diversify. And I did that not just because it makes good business sense, but because it helps you become better rounded as a lawyer. Because especially when you want to be a judge, you need to have experienced a whole lot of interaction with clients and the public in a variety of circumstances that life throws their way and that life throws our way. I diversified. I've done civil law. I've represented governmental entities. I've practiced family law. I've practiced criminal and civil appeals. And I've had the privilege of sitting as a hearing officer or an administrative judge in special education matters since 2003, where I apply the same rules of evidence and the same rules of procedure that are applied in the courtroom. Now let me tell you why I'm running for this court. Judge Lewis has been on the bench 23.5 years. He's asking for a 7th term. The bar poll results from 2005 and 2007 show that he has become ineffective. That's a byproduct of long-term incumbency. As of 2007, or the judges that are currently sitting, he's the lowest rated by a significant margin of all the judges in the county. That shows he's become ineffective. Being a public servant means you take the baton and you're in a race. And part of the public service means you know when to hand it off to the people coming behind you. If the first person in that relay keeps running with the baton and doesn't pass it off, the whole team loses the race. I promise you that I will know when to serve and when to pass it on to somebody else before I become ineffective. I ask you to vote for Sharon Ramage on March 2nd for judge.